All right, hello everybody. So today I'm going to give you the foundation steps for you to be able to create the Strandbeest. So in order to do that, first thing you need to have is you need to have a segment somewhere in the middle of your screen. So I'll start with that, and I'll try to make it as horizontal as possible. Once you have the segment, you want to go ahead and create a midpoint. Inside this midpoint, you want to now create a circle with center through point. Now here's the thing. This particular circle is the first one that we draw, is connected to the segment. It should not peel off the segment. In other words, it should be attached. And it can be adjusted, of course. So that's fine. Then what I want to do is I want to add an additional dot here on the edge, nowhere near the segment. And that particular dot is going to be my lever, so that when my object spins around, it'll spin around here. Okay, and I'm going to just make this into red so that it stands out from the very beginning, and I'll change its size so it's nice and large. That allows this to act like the lever that I want. Okay, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach to this a circle, but it's going to be a circle with a center and radius. The reason I want to do that is because I want to have the radius be fixed so that it doesn't keep changing size. Okay, so let's see here, click there, and for me, I'm going to pick a radius of 3. Press OK, and I'm going to test it. So when I test it, what that means is, there we go, this is the effect it should have. The circle basically stays the same size and nothing changes there. All right. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add another circle from this left edge to some point out here. Okay. It can be, only thing I want to make sure happens is that it doesn't touch anything else, maybe just the line segment. So I'll put it here. I want this circle to be flexible as well. Okay. My line can be adjusted, it can be made a little bit larger. So all of these things can be adjusted. All right, so I'll make it maybe, let's make it about that big. All right. There we go. And once I have that, there's going to be, I'm going to have this, I'll put it there. And what I want to remember is that I want to create here, at this intersection, I want to create a point. And actually at this intersection, I want to create a point. And those will actually allow me to make the connections to the shape that I want. So only thing I'm going to add here is from this red dot, it's going to connect here. And from that point, it's going to go ahead and connect out to this edge. Okay, so here I create a perpendicular by clicking on this line and selecting this. This will now allow me to overlay, and here. Now this is about as far as I'm going to show. This creates my perpendicular line, which is my 90-degree angle. And this one I can hide because I don't need it. And if I want to show off the angle, let's see if I do this correctly. I'll click here and there, and I know that this is now 90 degrees. Okay, so everything else, you will basically take a look at this particular point, look at how things are connected. Remember that everything can be adjusted. Everything can be adjusted. That includes the circles, that includes, with the exception of this one in the center, all the points, circles, and so forth can be adjusted. All right, so hope that gives you a good idea of what to do. Okay.